This one free report shows exactly which real pages Google refused to index and why. Let's read it. Search Console is a real, free tool from Google showing exactly how it sees your own site. The coverage report shows which real pages are indexed and, critically, which are genuinely excluded and why. The queries report shows real search terms you already appear for but aren't winning the click on, and manual actions shows if Google has genuinely flagged a real penalty against your site. This real, free tool requires no paid plan, just a verified real property for your own site. This real report shows exactly which pages Google chose not to index and the genuine reason for each one. This real, specific reason tells you Google found a duplicate and picked a different URL as the genuine canonical. This report shows your real, field-measured vitals from actual visitors, not a lab estimate. This flags a real, specific mobile problem Google found by genuinely testing your pages as a phone would. This real data shows a query you already show up for but aren't winning the click on, a genuine opportunity. This real number shows roughly where on page 1 or 2 this query currently ranks. This panel genuinely confirms whether Google has flagged a real penalty. Checking it takes seconds. This real report flags if your site has been genuinely compromised or is serving malicious content. Next, the page speed insights fixes that genuinely move your real score.